welcome back to another video. Today we're going to
Austin!
So we're meeting up with my friends and we're going to vacation, that's right. We're in Austin for 4 days and our first stop is dinner at a restaurant called Dai Du. Alright, I'll show you guys what's over there. Wild boar. Alright guys, we're headed to San Antonio, Texas to get beer with, what is it? Stuff sticking out of it. Ceviche beer.
Hi! Today I'm going to Antonio, Texas.
Yay! Alright, we just stood in line for 1 hour at Valentino's Barbecue. What are you up to?
Today I'm going to clean up.
Yay, let's go!
Okay, stay nice and clean. Look aside.
Good, Maddie. What else are you cleaning?
Dragon.
Maddie's gonna start her own cleaning channel. Yeah. Hey guys, so it's 4th of July on a Monday and I'm here at Austin Barbell Club. I'm dropping in to do my last workout of my 6-week program and I took a few days off to get my muscles recovered because I was definitely feeling very beat up last week. So I took like 3 days off and now I'm gonna hit this workout. It's a back squat EMOM every minute on the minute starting at 80%. Then snatch off high blocks, clean and jerk off high blocks. No accessories today. So hopefully I can knock this out within 2 hours. So it's about 12:20 and I've been gone forever. I feel like 2 hours and I did really good. I PR'd my back squat at 130 kilos. Coach Rob here said that I could probably do 135 grinding it out, but we called it there, which that's the benefit of training around people and training around coaches is that they can tell you when you need to stop. If I was by myself, I definitely would have put 135 on the bar if 130 felt so good. I got up to 63 in snatch from the blocks and I got up to 85 in clean and jerks on the blocks. So now I'm just gonna go back to the house and enjoy the rest of the holiday. But I'm really happy. Everyone here is so friendly and so nice and amazing. So if you're ever in Austin, go to Austin Barbell. Welcome back. We're going to
Town Lake.
Town Lake. Yay! where this is spring water too, but it's in a pool with lifeguards and everything. But there's access to the lake, so good for grown-ups and kids. All right, we're about to go paddleboarding. It's my first time paddleboarding, and apparently it's an Austin thing too. It's simply inflate your paddleboard and go. Party, Marty, party, Marty. Alright guys, it's Tuesday evening and we finally made it home safely. It was kind of a crazy trip, just like the two little kids and all the activities that we did, and I feel like we were really tired and I'm not really sure if we should even go on any more trips or leave our house ever. Because that was really tough to take a car trip to Austin and then try to function and be fine with two little kids. So it was a bit of a trip, and our house was kind of a disaster when we came back. So we had to clean a bunch of stuff and get the dogs back in order. So anyways, yeah, not sure if I'm gonna end up going on any of my trips anymore. Seriously, oh my god. But if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave comments down below, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey, happy 4th!